Have you ever wondered how gardening can improve your mental health? Indeed, the act of tending to a garden can do wonders for our mental well-being. The simple joy of planting a seed, watching it grow, and reaping the fruits of your labor can be a therapeutic experience. Gardening is a practice of acceptance, a lesson in letting go of control, and a way to embrace the imperfect beauty of nature. It allows us to connect with the earth, with others, and with our own inner selves. The greenery around us can have profound effects on stress management and recovery. So as we delve into the soil, we also delve into a state of mindfulness and presence. Let's dig deeper into how gardening can nurture not just plants, but also our mental health. Gardening is not just a hobby, but a therapy for the mind. This statement may seem unconventional, but the truth behind it is backed by numerous studies and personal testimonies. Let's delve into the mental health benefits of gardening. Firstly, gardening is a practice of acceptance. As we tend to our plants, we are reminded that we cannot control everything. We can water and nurture our plants, but we can't control the weather or the natural life cycle of a plant. This teaches us to let go and accept things as they are. Moving beyond perfectionism is another benefit of gardening. Gardens are imperfect by nature. They're constantly changing, and some things just don't go according to plan. Embracing these imperfections in our garden helps us embrace imperfections in our lives as well. Next, gardening helps in developing a growth mindset. As we learn about different plants and their needs, we understand that growth takes time and patience. We learn that failure is just an opportunity to learn and improve. Gardening also offers a chance to connect with others. Community gardens bring people together, fostering a sense of camaraderie and shared purpose. Sharing our gardening experiences and knowledge with others can create meaningful bonds. Equally important is the connection to the natural world that gardening provides. It reminds us of our place in the larger ecosystem. This connection can foster a sense of peace and grounding, providing a much-needed escape from our often chaotic modern lives. The concept of bathing in green reflects the idea that being surrounded by greenery has a calming effect on our minds. Studies show that exposure to nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and promote relaxation. Lastly, gardening promotes being present. It encourages us to focus on the task at hand, whether it's weeding, pruning, or simply observing the beauty of our garden. This can be a form of mindfulness, helping us stay centered and present in the moment. As you can see, gardening isn't just about growing plants. It's about growing and nurturing your mind too. So, what have we learned about gardening and mental health? Quite a lot, it seems. Gardening isn't just about nurturing plants. It's about nurturing ourselves too. It's a powerful tool for practicing acceptance, moving beyond perfectionism, and developing a growth mindset. It connects us to others and the natural world, immersing us in a sea of green that aids recovery, stress management, and overall mental health. It's a mindful, present activity that's full of life's lessons. Remember, every time you garden, you're not just cultivating plants, you're also cultivating a healthier mind. So, why not grab a shovel and start gardening today?